Today we're gonna talk about how to buy cell phone on Capitec app. So without wasting any time, let's start. So you just have to make sure that you log in, right? You have Capitec app, right? Then you go to explore, right? And then right here you just go to Capitec Connect, and then you scroll down, right? Browse our devices, click it, right? And then right there, right, can see, right? So they only have Samsung and iPhones. So can see right here, iPhone 15, iPhone 15, the difference, the color midnight black, blue. So right, so we're gonna buy any phone, right? You're gonna select any phone that you want to buy. Let's say for an example, right, I want iPhone 15, right? But I don't have that money. But I'm just giving you an example, right? So you just have to read, right? Read, make sure you know what's coming, right? Make sure you know what you're gonna get, right? So in the box you're gonna see right there, right, in the box. So how to order, right? You're gonna click right there, right? The first thing that you gotta have to make sure you have to make sure that you have that Telkom SIM, right? So you just have to visit Capitec branch, and then you just activate that connect SIM, and then your phone will arrive for free in 3 to 7 days. That's so simple. That's how you buy phone on Capitec app, right? You just need that SIM because you already have that Capitec account, right? So please comment down below, tell me if you bought a phone on this Capitec app and what's your experience. You got it on time? Like, just leave a review out here, man. I would love to buy some phone here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you need free data, check out this video right here.